Hello friend, how are you? I am Raihan Islam. I have bought you a special product. Product name True Mailer. Product description: world first in built turbo SMTP autoresponder to send limitless email to limitless subscribes for limitless profit. With one click and no monthly fee at an unbeatable on-time price. Embrace the future of email marketing with never offered before feature like inbuilt turbo SMTP, email verification, list cleaning, easy one-click website interrogation etc. for a low on-time price. This is demo video.
Stop what you're doing right now and make sure to have your sound turned up. In this short video, you'll discover a never-seen-before opportunity to send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers with just one click, with no monthly fees and no annual fees during this launch period. So if you too are willing to enter the profitable world of email marketing without spending every last penny on inefficient and expensive autoresponders, you're in for a great surprise today, presenting True Mailer, a brand new technology to send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers for unlimited profits with one click and no monthly fee. With this by your side, you can bid final goodbye to expensive autoresponders like Auburn, GetResponse, MailChimp, etc. once and for all. Just follow 3 easy steps. Number 1, log in. Number 2, create campaigns. Number 3, send and profit. And that's it. You're all set to get your hands on the most preferred email marketing platform for business owners and marketers around the world. Here are some amazing benefits you get with True Mailer. Deliver all transactional and business emails to your audience's inboxes. Never again get blocked or tagged as spam. Send professional emails without any technical knowledge. Full API integration with all major providers and SMTP is built in. Run as many promotional campaigns as you want and reach the masses. Send bulk emails without the fear of getting your IP address blacklisted. All this and more for a one-time low fee. True Mailer has got everything you need to say goodbye to exorbitant autoresponders that are ineffective. Say goodbye to unreliable servers and low bandwidth. Say goodbye to wasting precious time and trying to use different tools to organize and reach out to your audience. Say goodbye to interruptions from complicated opt-in forms and double opt-in features. Say goodbye to low delivery rates and your emails in your list spam folder. Take my word, if you're tired of all the bullshit going around and want to have a secured financial future, then True Mailer is the happy ending for your search. You'll agree that it's 100% fair for such a steal deal to last for a limited period. We're confident that this much value has never been offered at such a low price. And if you act now, you also receive our limited time commercial license. That means you can use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. So it's really about using this technology for your business as quickly as possible to profit like never before. Remember, your purchase is always backed by an ironclad 30 days money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, simply ask and get all your money back within 30 days of your purchase. Here's fair warning. True Mailer will soon be sold for a monthly or yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get True Mailer for the lowest price. Good luck. We'll see you inside.
Now it's time to turn your warriors into blessing in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Pluck. Get started immediately by logging into your cloud-based Turbo platform. Step 2. Play. Instantly created high converting campaign with your inbuilt obtain forms or simply upload your list. Step 3. Profit. Begin making instant profits as we send granted to convert automated turbo emails on your behalf. You will find the product link in the description of my channel. If you like the product, can you then see the product? Thank you so much.